Looking so fly in my automobile. My automobile. Woo! Oh yeah, it's so much fun. Oh my god, the seat's wet. Oh, my bum. My bum. Oh no. Well, all that's left to do is walk around aimlessly. Oh no. Oh, holy crap, who's that? Hey, madam. What you doing here, little miss?
Sitting on a cow.
Oh, that's mighty fine.
Yes.
Okay then, I'm gonna get back in my car. I'm so fly because I drive a lawnmower. Oh, 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 and my butt's kind of wet because I sat on a wet seat. Boom, rum, rum, vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh no, we're crashing. Boosh, boosh. Oh god, my camera can't see this messed up crash. Oh no. Oh no, look at the tree we crashed into. Oh, that's terrible. Maybe I should look around for someone to fix it. Running is so hard. Who's that? Hey, it's you again. How'd you get back here?
My cow flew here.
Oh. You're interesting.
Thank you.
Can I gotta get off your nose.
There's a lot of boogers up there.
Do you like to pick them?
A lot.
Keep them?
They're yummy.
Confetti! Ah! Confetti! Oh my god! That was dirty confetti. Sorry. That's my reaction. I'm a manly man, only men scream like women. Oh god, I was just like aimed like this at your tie the whole time. Did you spit?
No.
Oh god.
Yes, I just spit. Because I'm a country person, I guess.
Fascinating. Another documentary. As I put on this disguise, I find more interesting young people every day. Perch Perkins here for the 13th o'clock news. And back to you, Katie. I said back to you!